Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Ito lang guys yung ulam natin guys. Ito na guys yung luto natin. Fried samalong guys. For 250 pesos per kilo guys. Sold na guys. Tapos gawin natin yung sausawan guys na pinakurat. Maraming chili spices. Kain na tayo guys. Ito guys, oh, ang dami guys. Dito na ang aking sausawan.